park the car and it just runs for about a good 10-15 minutes sometimes, and then sometimes it doesn't run at all. The car's not overheating, it's just a sensor I think that's gone bad. So I got to do some research to see if it's the fuse that's going bad or the relay switch. I don't know, so I'm gonna do some research on that. Okay guys, we're gonna head out to the auto parts store now. I'm gonna give AutoZone the first shot to see if they carry it. If not, I'll go to Advanced Auto Parts next. So when the temperatures dropped here in Denver, Colorado, that's kind of like when this this fan started acting up. I noticed that the fan just kept running and running and running and running, and it shut off after about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then as of late, it would run until the battery died, and I had that happen to me twice. So I did some research on it, and it said to check out the relay switch. So I disconnected the relay, the fan turned off, so we're good on the right-hand side. The left-hand side's not giving me any problems whatsoever. It's just the right side. So hopefully it's just a quick fix, you know, $20, $30 part of that, and we'll be on our way. If it's not the relay, I'll let you guys know, but I think it's the relay. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get into the fuse box, where the fuse box is located, because these cars can be a little tricky. So like I said, the video is going to show us going into the fuse panel, or the fuse box I should say, and it's very difficult to get to. Very difficult. I'm kind of a big guy, so you can imagine how hard you know that is. The left. So other than that, this car's been a great experience. I love it. I love driving it. Like I said, it gets a lot of attention, attracts a lot of men. All men, to be honest with you. So don't get this car if you're looking at trying to get some dates with the females. You ain't gonna get it. This car only attracts the males. So again, here's our relay. I don't know if you can see the part number in there. Hi. Just want to see if you guys have this part. It's a relay for a fan. Audi makes it.
What car is it?
Well, it's for a Lamborghini, but it's an Audi Volkswagen part number. So I was hoping you'd have it.
We could try to look up your Lamborghini.
Okay, yeah, try it. Yeah, Lamborghini Gallardo.
Bring it up. We could try this part number.
Okay.
It goes away.
I don't know if you want to try it. It looks pretty similar.
Yeah, they're almost identical.
$22. It's a multi-purpose relay, so it works for a couple of things.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll take it then. Yeah. All right, so now we got the relay, and to access it, you have to, that relay, you're gonna have to pull the floor mat back. Now, when you fold these tabs, you're gonna see these flatheads right here. So all you're gonna do is take your flathead screwdriver and basically turn this till it pops out. You have one here, and then you have one on the other side, okay? So mine already loose for the video, but it's just two. Then you're gonna pull this panel out. Whoa, what do we got here? Vinny the Handyman, pretty neat. Okay, so on the back side of this plate, you have all the fuses listed. Now, we're gonna be concentrating on the main harness relay box, okay? Now, this main harness is way up there. So I don't know if my camera can get to it. Okay, it's not this fuse panel, it's right above it. And it's really dark up there. I don't even know if you guys can see it. So you're gonna have to get a flashlight, and it's going to be the fourth one from left to right, the fourth one, okay? And that's gonna be the right fan. Now you have a left fan as well, but that's not giving me problems. It was the right side. So we got the right relay. Here she is. And this was from Advanced Auto. So hopefully it's good to go. All right, so I'm gonna go up and remove this. This just pops right out of the box, and then we're gonna put the new one in, and that's it. Okay, so here's that first fuse box. Here's the second one up here. Now you guys are gonna fight, kick and scream and cuss and want to drink a bunch of beer to figure this out. But you see that far left one, that gray relay box? That's your left fan. And then 3 more to the right. The fourth one's gonna be the right. You can't see it right now because I just unplugged it. So now I have to plug the other one back in. So anyhow, I don't think I can get it on camera because it's just too dark and tight up in there. And but you guys understand what I'm saying. You just gotta pull out that gray one and just replace it, okay? Self-explanatory. But now you know where the location is, behind the glove box. All right, so anyhow, wish me luck. I'm gonna tackle that next. Okay, I actually got it to snap in place. You guys can't see it, but it's in there now. Okay, I actually got it to snap in place. You guys can't see it, but it's in there now. Okay, so this is the one that we pulled out. This one's gray. This is part number 373, and then it has a part number down below. Part number 66-GF25. And the one that we just put in was by CarQuest, and this came from Advanced Auto. Auto Parts didn't have it, and this relay was RAA1245. They do carry these in stock, so if you don't want to order on the internet, go to Advanced Auto Parts and they actually have it. So you can hear the right side turning on. That's the relay that we replaced. So it turned on when I needed to, and the left side is on. All right, so that's good. I had no overheating going on in the car. Now I'm gonna turn off the ignition. Okay, so now that the car's off, the fan's turned off. That's how it should operate. So before, this fan would just run and run and run, and it would kill the battery. So now we're good. So not only did I save a $250 service fee, another $250 just to install the relay and for the part. So I don't know what they would charge me for the part. So I'd probably save between, I'd say at least $500-600 if I'm not going to dealership. So if you guys have this problem, now you know how to fix it. All right, I know it's getting late. The sun's going down, and I got to get on to my brake job over here. But hey, if you guys found this information valuable, please subscribe, hit that bell notification. I know this is a construction channel, but again, I also own a supercar, so I kind of want to incorporate the two. I don't know where my channel's going right now. So, but anyhow, it's still fun. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe. I also got other videos on this car as far as changing out the e-gear, fluids, and some other things. So if you guys want to, you know, stay in touch with that, please subscribe, hit that bell notification. Vinny the Handyman, I sign out. I'll see you guys on the job site. Remember, stay confident, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.